Because things have already gotten blown way out of proportion.
Marcus! Hi. Hi. Marcus, crawling? Crawling? Let's go. Oh! Get up! Get up! Ah! Oh, oh. Hey, swimmer. Come on, get up. Get up, swimmer. Yeah. Get up. Yeah. Where you going? Where you going, Scooter? Where you going? Where you going? Come on. Oh. So close. Oh. Come on, get up. Okay, where are you going? Right, left, right, left. Right, left. Move your arms. Move your arms. Come on, you can do it. Oh. Hi. Hi. Keep moving. Come on. Hi, Marcus. Hi.